Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. All right, I'm back, guys, on behalf of Six Figure Stamp Club, okay? Just wanted to come back and talk to you about Six Figure Stamp Club. It's an awesome direct mail program that I've been a part of, maybe a month or so? But I love it because it's direct mail and everybody can do direct mail. Everybody can mail a letter or a postcard, okay? This is the letter, okay? Then I have my own special card that I'm using. I can't show you guys the side of it, but this is a card that I am using, okay, for Six Figure Stamp Club. But you can go online to my website and order postcards from Six Figure Stamp Club. If you want these personalized and customized cards, get with me. I'll get you in touch with my resource for that, okay? But everybody can mail. That's what I like about direct mail. Just put a stamp on it, put a label on it, and mail. So this program, what is the product? The product is leads, okay? Leads of people that's interested in making money from home, okay? So the company provides leads. You can buy them directly from us. If you don't want to be a member, okay, we'll sell you leads at the retail cost. But if you want to be a member, we have 4 levels that you can become a member, okay? And this way you can get the leads at a discount, okay? And then you can make an income from people joining you at these different levels, okay? You can receive $50 commissions, $150 commissions, $300 commissions, and $1,000 commission, okay? And not only that, you get stamps, okay? When someone joins you, they have to pay you your commission, and then they will also send you books of stamps, okay? And I have some of those too. I'm going to show you lots and lots of these stamps, guys. It's insane. Here's just some of them, okay, that I can just get my, look at these stamps. So when someone joins you, they're going to send you your commission. They're going to send you stamps. Your sponsor gets commission and your sponsor gets stamps. So every time someone joins you, okay, joins your team, you get paid too. So it's a win-win, and everybody needs leads out here. If you're in business, in a home-based business opportunity, it doesn't matter what you're selling, okay? So this is the company letter, the new letter. And what will happen is you're going to go in your back office and you're going to put your domain on your letter, okay? Here's mine, Mail Order Freedom Club, okay? So when someone gets this letter in the mail, they will go to this website and create an account. And from there, they decide which level they want to join, and they're going to print out an order form, okay? And they're going to follow the instructions on the order form and mail in the payments to who's specified on the order form and send it in, okay? And then once the company receives their payment and everything is confirmed, they will have full access to their back office, all right? So yeah, they have. So if you're looking for something easy to do, something simple as just mailing letters or postcards, this is the program for you guys. And you're going to be paid directly from the person that's joining you. It's member to member, okay? So you don't have to worry about waiting on the company to send you a check or send you your payment. You're paid directly from the person that's joining you, okay? And the company also has what they call profit sharing. So the more you invest in buying leads, you'll also get rewarded for that, okay? They will send you a portion of that money back, okay? In the profit sharing. So today what I want to show you is some more results I've gotten. I don't think I made a video in a week or so, and I don't make one all the time, guys, but I thought I would come back and just still show you that it's still working, okay? So I got 2 packages today that I'm going to show you, these 2, and we'll go from there, all right? So I'm going to put the link below for you guys so that you can join me in Six Figure Stamp Club. And my bonus is I'm going to match whatever the company's giving you at the blue level or higher. So if you come in at that blue level, black level, or pearl level, it comes with leads as well. So whatever level you join at, you're going to automatically get leads. And I'm going to match what the company's doing. For an example, the blue level, if you come there, the company gives you 200 leads with that package. I'm going to give you 200 leads, okay? And allow 7 to 10 days. After I receive your payment, the next week is when I mail everybody's leads out to them, okay? So, got this one. Let's see here. I want to show the address. So let's see what we've got. Okay. This one is... This is Liza. Welcome aboard, Liza. All right. Liza came in at, looks like the blue level. Okay. I'm just going to show you Liza. Okay. Let's see. From what I can see, let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yeah. 150, guys. Okay. 150. Welcome aboard, Liza. We already spoke. Okay, so that's the blue level, guys. So that's what you get now. And then here's my stamps. Okay. So she's sending my 2 book of stamps as well. Okay. So next package, guys. I believe this is from my buddy Devon. Welcome aboard. I believe this is Devon's package here. Yep, Devon. Okay. Right here. All right. Welcome aboard, Devon. All righty. Let's see what we got here. All right. We got 3 books of stamps, guys. Okay. 3 books of stamps. And he signed his letter like he was supposed to. Okay, this is how it looks, guys. I don't want to reveal. So see here, he signed it right here, and he's at the black. He joined at the black level. Okay, see right here, black level. Okay, black level is 300 bucks, guys. So this direct mail thing definitely works. Okay, $100 bill, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, another 100, okay? So that's 300 bucks with his 3 books of stamps, okay? And then Liza sent her 150 in, okay? Her 150 with her 2 books of stamps. Let me just see where I put those. Okay. So the 2 books there and the 3 books. So right there, guys, that's 5 books of stamps that I can use. I can do reverse mailing with these. Okay, because I get a lot of mail with people trying to promote their business. Or I can mail letters. Right now I'm mailing postcards. Okay, as I showed you earlier, I'm doing postcards. But that's 5 books of stamps. Okay, free stamps. And you're looking at 300 plus the 150, okay? So, not a bad day, guys, okay? So, definitely get with me in the 6-figure stamp club. Like I said, I'm going to match whatever the company is giving you, whatever you sign up for, the blue level or higher. So, it has to be blue, black, or pearl, okay? Those are the levels I'm giving my bonus on, okay? So go ahead and join me. I've been doing direct mail since 2013 successfully. Been working from home since 2015, okay? Been online since 2011, guys. So direct mail is my thing. Love to do direct mail because everybody can do it, all right? As long as you stay consistent and persistent and patient with it, this will work. You have to trust the process, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, guys. I'll see you on the next video. See you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.